From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos for you guys. 24 easy, quick, fun projects you can make. Paper crafts, glitter foam, fabric, wool, and even toilet paper rolls. You know, lots of fun on a very, very small budget. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? Now, this is probably the smallest project I've ever made. It's a teeny tiny Christmas tree filled with little details that will just put a smile on your face every time you look at it. Looks much harder to make than it actually is, so I think you will find this one extremely satisfying.